with you eternally, not just mentally.
Such a nice day out here, right? Come on, let's go back get some food.
Want to go get food?
You hungry, Callie?
Something to snack on?
What you want to eat?
A snack.
Tacos?
Why are you hiding?
I'm new to this. Don't judge.
Oh, it is a cookie. Okay. Ow, Callie.
Get it, Callie. Get it, Callie. Get it, Callie. He holding on for dear life.
It's like it's his son or like brother or nothing.
Go ahead, Callie. Go ahead, Callie.
Don't stop now.
Got you on 4K already. Not you.
Not the arms.
Right?
I got to in front of food meeting. Girls ministry.
Oh, damn. We lost a big toe.
We need that.
A big toe? So if I lose my big toe, you gonna leave me?
No. I said you need your big toe. Why would I leave you because you lost your big toe?
I want you to walk. Right. You need your big toe and your pinky toe.
Oh, I got a rock in my crock. Churros.
Let's cross over. So we can get over. Callie, baby. Go ahead. Keep it coming.
Don't let me die.
What we got? Okay.
Yes, it is. That? What is that one?
You don't even know what that is. I don't even know what that is. How much is that, buddy?
How many strawberry with cream?
Baby.
On the fever.
Back up. Now we can. That's why I wanted to bring the other one. It goes down like that. A little longer than that. Yeah, it goes down. Yes. Not the hardest part. Your booty. Okay, get down. Get down. I have to get them down. Oh, it's not focused. There we go.
You don't like it?
It's hard to tell. Callie.
I'll do right scooter through there.
Stop, baby.
Somebody rode a scooter through there.
I see it.
Callie, come here.
haven't figured that out yet. I'm gonna figure that out later.
Gotta be some big. What the hell is that? What? Now you gotta get down, get that award by yourself.
Yeah, come on, catch this fade. Come on, catch it. What?
I ain't got no part of that.
Watch out for the cars. Want some? You want to try some?
I should really go get my car from way down there.
It's a baby bite. If you don't like it, drink your shake.
It's like a mixture of flavor and all
Baby. Please.
that. Nigga,
If you love me.
Don't do that. Don't you do that. Don't you do that. Don't do that.
Look, I took some off.
I'm gonna get my car. Bring it over here. No. No.
Open your mouth.
County callers.
I don't want that one. Wait. Taste some.
Not that try yet.
Eat it.
Abuse on 4K.
Lick it. Baby. Baby.
What?
Please.
How you push
Look, it's melted away. It's mango ice cream slush. You want an actual mango piece?
Oh, so you know what they're gonna be.
Yeah. That's good. I want no more though. It's giving yogurt. That's good.
I don't like yogurt. What?
We're down to 26 minutes.
Hey. It's pretty cool to come visit you in dreams. He's so bird. Big body. Why them clouds over there look so like they on a flat surface? Like that. What? This morning you said that? Like they sit on a plate.
I have one bar now. Literally.
Yeah.
Well, came to IKEA, but it's closed.
Ooh, that's funny. 8 o'clock. But it's so nice out. Look at that. Oh my God. 8, but it's so nice outside. Beautiful.
His stomach hurt. Look at Betty. Oh, she's so pretty. Just love. Crazy.
It's the Betty Mobile.
The Betty Mobile.
Yeah.
Off we go.
On to our next journey. Before we go
Where
back
are
to
we
the
going?
hood. Well, we gotta get gas first before we have to call AAA.
And then what? AAA is crazy. And then where are we going? Cali.
It's too early. Well, it's not too early because Callie got school tomorrow.
Yeah, true. Oh yeah, you're right about that. Look at my flowers. My baby got me some flowers. Get you a man that gets you flowers.
Facts.
Especially when you have an attitude.
Flowers make them. Oh, I forgive you.
And do. And do. They're so freaking pretty.
I'm surprised it's surviving in the car.
Yeah, me too. I got them in a water bottle. It's a little ghetto, but it's working.
Hey.
It's working.
Ooh, they about to pay for my 22. No way.
Don't have any eyebrows. My broken nails pissing me off. He broke it.
You recording the whole time? What up, though? Ew. That car.
Not the whole time. I just pressed play. He was laughing at me.
I can replace them. I know I broke them. I can replace it. We can go get them done, actually.
Because he ignored it twice.
I didn't mean to. Wait, with my French toast?
And the birthday bag.
What's mine cold?
He over here trying to fight old people.
I wouldn't have hurt him. Yo. Baby, you've never been to this side of the park.
I have, actually, twice.
So
I came once with you and once with my mom. I didn't know what she was talking about. What?
Nah, I love you. What?
What?
No.
Something wrong with the boy. We be near the water a lot now.
Peaceful, relaxing, calm. It really do calm you down because we were so calm yesterday. We was at the water. So now I just want to be by the water.
Got a double chin. Why you look at him like that?
I can't even see him.
He's right there. He was on the bike. I heard about it. That's fish. That's not a fish. I be thinking everything is a fish. Everything is not a goddamn fish. You guys want me to do something crazy. Oh my god.
Goddamn wood pepper on my shoe. Come close.
A what? What was it?
So you gotta buy some fish.
Why you? Do it again. Do it again.
Put that on.
Do it again. Now it's recording. Look at the school bus with no face.
Flat box. I hate them buses. Oh, we could block.
Why? You don't want to share?
No, I didn't say that.
So why we need our own? Whatever. You don't have to share with me. If you don't want to. If you know. Get away. What are they doing? Some people over there. The edges that I barely have are slayed. Yep. Oh, my phone fell. What you over there doing?
We're about to.
I'm gonna wrap this up in a little bit. That's what we want.
Oh, it's a motorcycle. Wow, that's probably that bragging day.
Won't get me copyrighted. Won't get me copyrighted. Music, period. Baby. Turn it off. You zoomed all the way in. Oh.
Gotcha.
I don't even want my sandwich anymore. I just feel like it's been exposed too much. There we go. Oh, you trying to figure it out? There's like 10 minutes left, so maybe not the whole
What up? Yeah, I'm trying to go over there. The obstacle course. I should have left, but I ain't want to leave my phone in the car. But I get thumbnails and all that. Your phone in the car? Good. We don't need both our phones getting dropped in the water. Exactly.
100%.
Careful.
Damn, I would have died.
Yeah. I got it, baby.
Shit. My hand slipped right off that smooth part. Oh. It was recording? I didn't even know.
Yeah, it's recording. We getting there. Getting there.
Oh, it might be.
That looks needed.
Came a long ways.
Okay.
What?
See how far we got? Look at that.
Too far to turn back?
Got to go up.
Poison ivy.
Yeah, who gonna fall in?
Who gotta go up?
Huh?
Not necessarily. That's next. I keep hearing something in the water. I wanted to lay on your leg on purpose.
So you got it.
It's hot.
No, it's not.
I'm hot.
Feel good out here though. You feel the breeze?
Do you feel? Do you feel? I turned the camera off and turned it back on. Now I got 3 bars instead of 2. Why you look so tall? Is another plane coming? Oh.
More rocks down there, bro. I'm not coming in. You said what, beautiful? You're so pretty. Oh, somebody jumped out the water? Where you going?
Oh, wait.
You're silly.
Wait,
Now she leaving me, y'all.
let's go.
Look at her rushing me. It's a mermaid. Alright, I'm coming. Alright, we see how we can get to the end. We made it back, guys. Made it back in the car. Baby saw a baby bird.
Yes, and I feel bad. Why is it so blurry? It is blurry.
G feeling she hating.
That is not gonna be the thing.
I know I'm saying. Want some ice cream?
That was a question. That was a question for real?
Trying to figure out where we want to go. Look at this. Boom. Wait, where is that? Get it in the camera. Focus. Yes, sir. We hit y'all back and get some ice cream.
I need to get the restaurant. AC Peterson Farms. My baby went to the bathroom and we came to get ice cream at AC Peterson something. I forget the name of the restaurant. But we here. And for the most part, we finna wrap this up. Because I need to edit this video. And it's gonna take me a while to do that. So when he comes back out, we'll close it out properly. But right now we're getting ice cream. After we get the ice cream, I'm just gonna either sit back near the water or head home until it's time to get Cali from school.
Got our ice cream for the day. Now it's time to bring it in home. The slow route. We're about to take the slow route all the way home.
The long way.
Yeah.
Dangerously in love with you.